Hello guys, I want to make this video to show you guys why you shouldn't buy this BOYA BY-MM1. I just purchased this brand new. You can see the mic, no marks, it's just brand new, no problem. But the shock mount that it comes with it, the plastic that it's made of, it's really cheap. They should really fix this problem. What's gonna happen, this is the thinnest part of the mic. You can see, if I want to insert this, it has to open all this way. And check what happened. It broke. Even though it's the thinnest part of the mic where it should go, it doesn't even close because it's not. If I pressure this, it almost closes. So if this plastic was a little bit more flexible, this wouldn't have it wouldn't have this problem. Check it out. Now I'm gonna have to return this because I don't want to keep this mic like this. If you still decide to buy this mic, I would recommend that you get a lighter or a match and heat this plastic up so this doesn't happen. I might even buy another one and try that out to not make this the same. Well, it's not a mistake. This is the brand's mistake. It's BOYA's mistake. So just in case you guys want to buy one of these, be warned. This is what's going to happen with your shock mount on this mic. So if unless BOYA fixes this, heat this up or don't buy this mic at all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys later.